Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new episode regarding my bismuth metal and the various creations that I tend to make with it. So this is my third box frame. My second one has already been sold, so sadly I didn't actually take any pictures of it once it had been completed. But this is the ring so far, and as you can see, there are some truly stunning colours and shapes to it. So what I'm intending to do is fasten it all down using some super glue, and I'm not going to reveal the brand name because I ain't getting done for advertisements or free advertisements. And over here I have various crystals ready to be used for the purposes of this video. And you can see, I know the picture quality isn't exactly brilliant on this iPad, but you can see the various colours that are coming along with it. All stunning. You never get two exactly the same. It's like snowflakes. So when I have picked what I want, it's going to go in the centre of here, glued down, boxed up. So let's get on to it, and we'll be back with the finished article. Right, so everything is now glued in place, and as you can see, there are various different crystals on this board. And they have just been glued in place. I'm not going to move them yet until they've moved. But you can see what I've been going for. Kind of like a sunken ancient city or something along those lines. It is part of a series I'm calling the Rings of Olympus, which is why we have the rings. And it sounds like Storm Gareth has just started to kick up where I am, as it's now blowing the doors through the house. That's just perfect. And I had just enough glue to get all of this glued down. And as you can see, these are the options for the crystals that could have gone in its place. Quite a few. So we shall now see what it looks like when it's all boxed up and looking prettier. Right, ladies and gents, this is the final product. It's all boxed up, it's all standing, and it's all beautiful. Look at those purples and blues, are absolutely stunning. And this is of course best viewed in natural daylight, not by the glare of my torch on my phone. Now the bit you can see here, it's actually a point that's almost, can you see? It's like a mini skyscraper. It's actually just below touching the cover to the frame. And it is, if I say so myself, it is absolutely beautiful. I love this piece. Can't wait to put it on display, get it signed, get it sold. Also, before we do go, I'll just push this back just a smidge. I want to show you two of the behemoths that I've managed to grow so far. My biggest crystals to date. This is the first one. Just look at the size of this. Now there is more colour to it, but my torch does drown out the colour, and you can see the reflections on it. It's a beautiful piece. And then I've got this next one, which I grew 2 days ago. Where's that torch light? There we are. It's like a mini angel. These are by gone the two biggest pieces I've grown. You can just see just a hint of colour on some of this. So these will eventually be for sale. I am planning on setting up a little page on Facebook to sell these on. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Is it good? Is it bad? And we shall catch you at the next video. Take care, guys. See you soon.